Hello everyone, welcome to my channel UGC Next at Home Science. Today I will discuss with all of you how can you write your research paper, and this is the basic step for writing your research paper and basic structure of manuscript. First comes to the title page, and the title will be simple, attractive and accurate, and that will provide the complete information about your research. Then comes to the abstract part, that is the beginning part of your research. Here you will add the whole step of your research, your manuscript. Here you will add the introduction, objective, result discussion, methodology, conclusion, and your research findings. Then you will start writing your research with introduction part, that is the starting part of writing research paper, and this is the short review of your literature on research topic, and here you will discuss the issues and question to be addressed in the paper, the summary and significance of the study for larger field of study, and then comes to the method part. Here you will discuss the data collection process, analysis process, interpretation of data, how you will measure, basic technique you will use for your research, and that will be specified, and that may be your quantitative technique, qualitative technique, whatever technique you will apply. Then comes to the theoretical framework, the basic step and the most important part of writing research manuscript. Then you will add the results and discussion part. This is also the most important part for writing research step. And then comes to the conclusion. You will add here the brief introduction of the work, what you will get, and then you will add your acknowledgement, and the most important part, you can say the reference part you have to add, and all reference cited in the manuscript should be included, the key source. Then you can add tables and table captions, but the most important step, you can say title page, abstract, introduction, methods, theoretical framework, result discussion, conclusion, acknowledgement, and reference. This is the basic steps for writing your research manuscript. Yeah, that's it.